I don't know if we'll be able to get around out here, you guys. Oh yeah, we can. Oh, mint. That's so good. Oh my goodness, you guys. Hope you guys are doing good in YouTube world. Today we are on top of a mountain on a frozen lake yet. And I've got my sunglasses on and it's still bright. This is gonna be a hoot. You guys aren't gonna wanna miss this one. This lake's full of islands too. Maybe we should go check some out. Look at that, glorious day. Glorious, I tell you. Let's do it. You guys believe this? Wow. Oh my gosh, perfect traction. We got to get some proper shots here, you guys. I got the good camera with me, my tripod. I've done this before on my dirt bikes, but I'm usually studded. I thought I'd come up, and often this happens. What happens is there's a good frozen layer underneath, on top of the ice, like just underneath the snow. The snow is not overly deep, as you can see, probably 6 inches. Not even, I bet. Perfect traction, like it's not sketchy at all. Probably even wheelie. Almost. Oh yeah, we can. Oh yeah, we can. Whoa, it's a little sketch. Here we're on land. Oh, it's deep on land. Loving it, loving it. Let's go. I also got my drone too, so prepare for some epic shots incoming. Let's see how she works. I think we're gonna do red mode for this one. Hold on to your britches. Might be the funnest thing I've ever done on 2 wheels. Oh my gosh, the traction is unbelievable. You'd think I have studs on right now. Oh, that is so fun. Okay, let's see how it's turning out. That's so much fun, you guys. I just love my setup. Everything works so good. Let's go, how do you guys feel about exploring an island on a lake? Let's do it. Check this traction out. This is just blows me away. You can see all the, ouch, snowmobile, quad and snowmobile tracks all over the place. I know guys got cabins around the lake, so this is like a highway right here. Let's explore this a little bit. I mean, why wouldn't you? You're on a lake. I need high power for this. Oh, someone walked up there. I don't know. Let's. Yeah, no, we're on an island. We are 100% on an island on a lake. Let's say I don't take you guys anywhere. LOL. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Uh-oh. What's going to happen here? Whoa, that's deep there. Look at them all, you guys. They're everywhere. I can't remember the count. I honestly, I'm going to guess there's 20 or 30 or something. Oh my gosh, look at them all. Maybe we should set the GoPro up and get some backward footage. What were you doing this afternoon, Heddle? Oh, you know, just cruising around on a frozen lake, checking out islands. LOL. So I am a little chicken. I'm not, you know, around the rocks where it gets warm and stuff, you can get softer spots, which sketches me out a little. Something going on over there. I'd be willing to bet a beaver. Digging, oh, it's hard to say. We got to get some more footage around here. Look, this is absolutely unbelievable. Yeah, we are. Oh my gosh, what an epic day, you guys. That's too cool, hey? Love it. Well, that's gonna do it for me, you guys. Definitely let me know what you've been up to. Hit this button, drop some comments, blah, blah, blah.